I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on notification settings. So then it's going to take us to next step here. So when you just click on notification settings, it's going to take us to this list here. Click here on notification categories. So then you come to this list, come here to I received a reference. So then you click in this sign of this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean I received a reference notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.